Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best radiator stop leaks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best radiator stop leaks that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Alumaseal ASBPI12. With this radiator stop leak from Alumaseal, you get a product that's so simple, it's only allowed as an add-on item to other orders. But, despite its simplicity, is still highly efficient and effective. It's safe on all kinds of materials from plastic to metal and rubber. It's also guaranteed to work with all coolants and antifreeze additives in your cooling system. Also, the formula is effective at preventing rust to ensure your cooling system stays in great shape for long, and it will not clog or obstruct the cooling system. Using it is easy, just pour the powder into the radiator, making sure it's cool before you remove the cap. Then close the cap and run the engine for some minutes. Each pack will work on radiator coolants up to 22 quarts in volume. If you only want to try out this stop leak, finding just a single strip can be hectic given that it is mostly provided as an add-on. However, you can still buy a pack of 12 without spending much. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak. Bars Leak is well known for its stop leak products, and among the best is its liquid aluminum stop leak. The compound making up the fluid works great at sealing leaks, and it also conditions the engine with the use of what Bars Leaks call liquid aluminum. That's just stepping 1. Step 2 is known as the Extreme Cool formula. This solution stops overheating and reduces the temperature of the water in the radiator. Another great feature is how durable and effective this stop leak is. It easily seals leaks in plastic, aluminum, and metal radiators, heater cores, gaskets, and freeze plugs. One other benefit is this stop leak can be added to the cooling system without having to flush out the antifreeze. It can also be used with all types of coolant, including yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, and green silicate-based and non-silicate-based antifreeze. While the price is a bonus, you may have to buy in bulk to get more efficient results. Another downside is you will have to wait up to 20 minutes with the engine idling to ensure all the cracks are properly sealed. However, as with all of the products mentioned here, it is not a permanent solution and your vehicle will need to be treated again or taken to a mechanic. At number 3, we have the Bars Leaks 1150 Gray Cooling System Repair. As you will discover in the Top Brands section, Bars Leaks is one of the best stop leak brands on the market, and that's why there are several products from this brand in our review. Whether there's water only in your cooling system or water and antifreeze, you don't have to flush anything out before pouring in the Bars Leaks 1150. But bear in mind that if the system is particularly dirty or clogged, flushing it before using any stop leak product would be a good idea. Again, once you have successfully used the product to stop leaks, you don't have to remove it from the cooling system. You should, in fact, leave it in there so it can stop any future leakages and prevent overheating. This stop leak acts pretty fast, sealing the leaks instantly in most cases, and where it doesn't work instantly, 15 minutes are normally enough. Perhaps your vehicle has a significant number of leak points, and a single application doesn't seem to stop them effectively. In that case, try making a second application. There's an interesting side of the product that we thought you should know. Apart from sealing the leaks and indirectly lowering the heat in the engine, the Bars Leaks 1150 contains an additive designed for reducing the heat directly. The additive lowers the coolant's surface tension, thus boosting the wetting ability and subsequently improving heat transfer and reducing the heat. Hence, if your car engine is very hot and you need a product that not only seals the leaks but also reduces the temperature quickly, then the Bars Leaks 1150 would be your ideal choice. At number 2, we have the Bars Leak 1150. When properly used according to the manufacturer's directions, this product is capable of plugging a variety of small leaks that may pop up in radiators. It's a two-part formula that's easy to use, but requires that the user idle or drive their car for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes before it sets. This product is compatible with a number of different coolants include green, blue, yellow, orange and red coolants. And since it has a carbon fiber formulation, it's also capable of preventing future leaks from occurring and to help prevent boil overs. And finally at number 1, we have the K-Seal ST5501. The K-Seal ST5501 offers to permanently plug the hole in your cooling system for the lifetime of the engine. Given that you will not need to buy more of it for a long time and its more affordable price tag, it will give you great value for money. It will also work on head gasket leaks, water pump leaks, and heater core leaks. There are no known issues with anti-freeze formulas, and it will work with most of them, which eliminates the need for draining or flushing. Using this Radiator Stop Leaks is also quite straightforward as you will only need to shake it, pour into the radiator and run the engine to circulate it. Although this product seems to have strong clogging potential given its potent sealing capability, if you follow the manufacturer instructions for using it, you will never have to worry about clogs. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.